Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Tai and thank you for joining me. I am here today to talk to you about how to properly use a trimmer. Thing probably weighs about a good 20 pounds. So be sure, safety first, P.P.E, make sure the choke's down, pump that gas, pull this string to turn on the trimmer. Almost. Yes, success. And pull the trigger. All right, now let's get to trimming.